Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, we will start the abstracts of four researchers that participated in this conference. The first one, the title of Interaction of the Triangle of Seam Simulations and Multimedia and LMS Enhanced Distance Learning by Mayasa Hamoud Ali Yahya Al-Humaydi, Department of Educational Technology, Taiz University, Taiz, Yemen. Abstract. There is a need of maximum utilization of the LMS and multimedia with SEAM to be used by learners. This is due to lack of interactivity in the system caused by multi-systems, improper content design and integration with add-on multimedia files. On the other hand, instructors consider that uploading learning materials in different LMS tools is enough without putting down the interactivity facilities. This abstract assesses the interactivity in LMS tools and SEAM Lab for both design and usage. To undertake this study, a case study methodology was opted by investigating the LMS platform of the Taiz University. The respondents to this study were categorized as LMS learners, LMS instructors, and LMS administrators. To interview an intensive documentary reviewed together with screens, the design and configuration of LMS servers has been done. Another abstract for the researcher. The study focused on four aspects of interactivity, which are learner interactions to learner-instructor, content, and interface. 50% of this study has been done. The study reveals that there is a critical lack of interactivity between learners themselves enrolled in the same courses, between learners and their respective tools, and between learners and system content and interface. The synchronous interaction is less practiced compared to asynchronous interaction. This has been due to less insertion of real-time multimedia and interactivity features. That's the abstract for this study, and another abstracts for other study for other researchers will be demonstrated now, which the title Multimedia Technology Supported Distance Learning by Ahlam Sultan Ali Al-Wagih. Multimedia has involved itself into all aspects of education, be it online, distance, or in the classroom. This abstract utilizes a review of the literature to facing the role of multimedia in e-learning, then look at how multimedia fits into basic pedagogy, learning theory, and learning styles. An examination of how multimedia obtained could be incorporated into the curriculum is also conducted. There are many tools to use to present multimedia lessons. However, this doesn't mean they all need to be used in a single lessons, and selecting the right multimedia tool and content is imperative to ensure learning goals are met. Careful selection and attention to instructional design remains the key determinant in successful learning models, and the incorporation of multimedia should be used with basic instructional pedagogy in mind. Another abstracts for Abir Ali Saeed Qaid, which entitled LMS and Smart School Developed Learning. LMS is a web-based software application developed to create, manage, and deliver e-learning courses. Many researchers' work has been conducted on different learning options in LMS. In order to develop LMS system to support main learning components such as students, instructors, and controlling authorities, this abstract proposes a multi-factor authentication and identity management for developing LMS. Also, the abstract explains the situation and existing research relating to the development in learning management system in smart school. The proposed framework has been applied to cloud-based LMS to show the ability to develop learning. Another study has been occurred with the abstract of title that is flipped classrooms and schools supported e-learning to face the information age by Asma Saeed Muhammad Qaid Al-Kamali. The abstraction what is as follow in this presentation. The purpose of the study was to investigate the impact of integrating flipped learning on primary school students' academic achievement and attitudes. The study was based on a quiz experimental technology where the sample of the study consisted of 40 students from Sabah school in Yemen who was randomly assigned into either an experimental group 20 students or control group 20 students. An academic achievement test was used with both groups as a pre-test and post-test, and an attitude scale was implemented only on the experimental group. The validity and reliability of the study were ensured. The findings relevant the effectiveness of the flipped learning approach. Statistically significant differences were found between the experimental and control group in terms of the students' academic achievement. As for the experimental group, the students' attitudes towards peers, teachers, environment, and learning process were positive. Thank you for all of you that's you support us for that abstract papers, and thank you for your university for the international conference that give us the new chance to present our work in front of the big professors of your university. And thank you also for Thais University and all the persons who help us to successfully this conference. Thank you again and goodbye.